In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to customize your iPhone home screen. This enhances both functionality and personal expression. It provides an opportunity to personalize your device with unique wallpapers, icon packs, and layouts that reflect your style, making your phone feel more like an extension of yourself. To do this, simply long hold anywhere on your iPhone. You will want to tap on the Edit button on the upper left corner of the screen. Select on this option of Customize. You can either choose dark, automatic, or tinted. And with tinted, you can choose any colors of your own choice. You can make your apps large or small depending on what you want. This balance of aesthetics and usability creates a more engaging and productive experience tailored to your preferences. That's how easy it is to customize your home screen app icons on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.